Hello guys and girls, and welcome back. It's your boy Big John. The at's at the bottom of the screen if you'd like to listen to my music. So is all the relevant information I'll be speaking about in this video. And today what I'm going to be doing is giving out a service that's absolutely fantastic. Yes, I know a lot of people have been hoping for a service like this. I can't believe that I'm able to actually do it. It's taken me some time to just get a few things together. And what we're going to be doing is making an account go from $50 to $3,200 in a month with trade copying. Yes, that's right, guys and girls. I said it. You won't even have to lift a finger. I've already been doing this myself and making accounts grow up to 1,000 to 500 to 3,200 and stuff like that. I've done it all myself, but what I'm trying to do now is make sure everybody else can jump on board with this type of service. And with all that being said, let's get straight into the video.
Started from the bottom like Drake. Got that young moolah, but I learned my mistakes. Climbing up the ladder, gotta watch out for the snakes. If you wanna be the boss, then you have to delegate.
Okay, so you can see here in this video right now, I am showing you a starting balance of $12.50, and I have gone over this a few times, hyper growth and how people can grow their accounts. I've been playing with this idea for a long time now and figuring out what's the best way to get, maximum growth on an account, but being very reasonable at the same time. And what we're going to be doing with this whole trade copying idea is that I'm telling you to deposit $50 in your account at first, and that starting balance will change as we do compound the account. So it's better for you to get in now while it's $50. Once it goes up, it will go up to $100 or $200 that you'd have to have in your trading account. Now, what we will be doing here is I will start the first time on $12.50. So I'll only be trading as if the account had $12.50 in there, even though you have a starting balance of $50. We are only going up one level a week. This is where part of the catch comes when it comes to hyper growth and growing your account. People don't understand that they're trying to do this all within a space of a week, trying to go X amount of levels, when all you have to do is do this over a longer period of time, and it's a lot easier to do this. And our aim is to get from level 1 to 2 to 3 to 4, and that will take us 4 weeks to get to this level, which can get us up to $3,200. Now, of course, we're going to have winning and losing trades here, some trades that break even, and on average we will be growing our account by 150%, which will be at the end of the month $488. Now, this might not seem like a lot to people, but we gotta understand, we started trading that account at the beginning of the month with $12.50 as the starting capital. Remember, $12.50 is the starting capital. You need $50 in your account, so we have enough room to breathe for any type of margin. People need to understand this. You're not starting your account with $12.50. You need to deposit $50. I'm saying it very clear, and I don't want people to message me, I have $12.50, can I join? No, you need $50. I'm saying it very clear. So I've actually managed to grow the account by about 3,750% in that month if we're able to only get to half of the target I'm looking at. If we go to the lowest amount of the target I'm looking at, which will be this, which is $200. Remember, as long as we have more than our starting balance plus the monthly fee, which the monthly fee is 50 Great British pounds per month. This is all listed in my Discord, and if you'd like to make payment for this, all of the links are in the description below, or you can message me on Telegram or Discord if you'd like to know more information about what I'm talking about here. And you can see straight away, again, we're still on 200, which is more than the starting balance and will pay for your 50 Great British pounds a month fee. And even the worst case scenario of me growing this account on the period of a month, that is 1,500% growth I've still made on the account. So let's look at the growth we're making on the account rather than the money that's actually coming in. Now, the next exciting thing is that once we start growing our account, I'm going to start trying to do the same process at $50 starting balance. So yes, you might have to have a little bit more in your account, maybe 100 USD, but I'm going to be doing it at $50 starting. So now when we get to trade 4, this is 12,000 and it goes up like this. When we start on 100, now we've got 25,000. Even if I go down to worst case scenario, you can see here, as we get to trade 4, you're still making 1,600 a month, which is so much more than the monthly payment plus whatever you started the account with on that month. So I want people to understand this. And if you do want to get in this service, like I said, all the information is below, and you can get in contact with me on Telegram or Discord. So once you've made payment, what will happen is I will get you signed up to Social Trader. What I will need from you is your broker name, your broker server name, your login, and your password of the account. The account needs to be a 1 to 500 leverage, and this is an account that you are not trading. Remember, just at this starting point, and it might increase in future, I need you to deposit 50 USD. Now again, it might increase that number in future to 100 or 200 USD, but for now it's 50 USD. So once payment is made, that's what will actually happen, and I'll get you on this platform here. And this is going to help you out a lot in able to grow small money into bigger money. Now, I hope you do like this one, guys and girls. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. It's your boy Big John, and I'm out. Peace.
Started from the bottom like Drake. Got that young moolah, but I learned my mistakes. Climbing up the ladder, gotta watch out for the snakes. If you wanna be the boss, then you have to delegate.